Hello everyone, welcome. Here's two kids. They're planning to visit China. This is a map of China. We call it 中国地图. Then they fly to China. Oh, now they arrive. Here is Beijing, the capital of China. This is 北京地图. If we get closer to the center part of the map, we could find an ancient building called Tiananmen. Tiananmen was the main gate of imperial city of Beijing in Ming and Qing dynasty. Chinese also call this royal palace 故宫, 紫禁城, the forbidden city. So in this series, we will take you into the 4 seasons and 24 solar terms in the palace. We will introduce the 24 solar terms from the following 3 aspects. First, the source and division of the 24 solar terms. Then, the traditions and stories related to these solar terms. And finally, there will be introduction of spring activities popular in today's society. In modern astronomy, seasons are determined by Earth's position as it orbits the Sun. This is influenced by Earth's tilt, known as obliquity, which causes the Sun's rays to move between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, leading to seasonal changes. The 24 solar terms used in 1645 divide the year based on the Sun's position along its annual path, called ecliptic. This path is divided into 24 equal sections, each spanning 15 degrees of longitude, starting from the vernal equinox at 0 degrees. Each section corresponds to a solar term. As the Sun progresses 15 degrees along the ecliptic, it passes through each term, completing 1 solar year back to vernal equinox. Similarly, based on the trajectory of ecliptic, the International Astronomical Union has also divided the ecliptic into 12 equal segments, forming the internationally recognized zodiac signs. 24节气. The 24 solar terms are a calendar to guide agricultural production, so it has a unique name in ancient China. Many poems were also compiled by the people to remember and chant, which contains the long historical connotation and cultural accumulation of Chinese nation. For example, this poem only has 28 characters, but it contains 24 solar terms. This highly condensed poem helps people remember all the solar terms.
24节气，春雨惊春清谷天，夏满芒夏暑相连，秋处露秋寒霜降，冬雪雪冬小大寒。
First, let's go into spring.
春雨惊春清谷天.
This sentence contains 6 terms.
立春 beginning of spring, 雨水 raining water, 惊蛰 awakening of insects, 春分 spring equinox, 清明 pure brightness, 谷雨 green rain.
The beginning of spring marks the start of the year, particularly esteemed by farmers in agrarian society. In the Forbidden City, rituals are held for the beginning of spring, where officials from various levels enter the Qianqing Palace from different gates to present tributes. The festival also involves procession and prayers for the people. This spring ox painting, as a tribute from the Qing dynasty, is now housed in the Palace Museum. The ox possesses the divine power of both the earth and water elements, according to the 5 elements theory. Hence, its agricultural activities can enhance crop growth. In people's mind, it symbolizes hopes for a bountiful harvest, aspiration for happiness, and prayers for favorable weather conditions. In today's society, among the months of spring, Qingming, pure brightness. It's the best day for people to remember their loved ones, honor their ancestors, and go for outing. People will either make or buy 青团 or call green rice ball to eat, reminiscing about their ancestors and relatives. When everything's come back to life, many choose to travel in spring, and there is even a tradition of flying kites. So now let's review the 6 solar terms of spring. 立春, beginning of spring. 雨水, rain water. 惊蛰, awakening of insects. 春分, spring equinox. 清明, pure brightness. 谷雨, green rain. Thank you for listening. This is all for this video. We will have a follow-up summer, autumn, and winter explanation. Hope you can learn something from our video. Goodbye.